For this project, we marbled some paper and then glittered it. We marbled using a kit from Jaquard and mixed media paper. This is the process of prepping the paper for marbling and the marbling. We glued the glitter down with Mod Podge in an application bottle. I used the glitter Peacock and Gleaming Green for this process. You want to cut your paper down to a square so that for the V-split. And on a prepped tumbler, I'm estimating where I want the paper to go. Cut the paper down further and then start applying the Mod Podge. Once the Mod Podge is dry, I started cutting the paper down in small sections. And then seal it again with Mod Podge to make sure that the tape doesn't tear your paper. Use a good painter's tape to mask off the area you don't want to glitter. This is frog tape. I also recommend masking off all of the paper because glitter inevitably will get on the spots that you don't want it to. Use Mod Podge to apply the glitter and a flat application brush to smooth it out. This is Forest Green from Bolt Glitters. Once your first coat is dry, go ahead and give it a second coat of glitter. After this coat dries, I gave it a couple coats of triple thick, and then it can go onto your tumbler turner with epoxy. On the Cricut, I cut out some pieces of vinyl in a 0.02 thickness. Once you get your vinyl laid down where you want it, cut it with an X-Acto knife. Once you get your vinyl pressed on firmly, you can put it on the tumbler turner for the final coat of epoxy.